To list your properties with weekends, you first have to follow these simple steps. First, open the weekends.com. Now the page will open in front of you. Scroll down till the last. Click on List Your Property button and sign up with your details. First enter your first name, then your email address and then the password of your choice and sign up. After signing up, you will get a confirmation mail on your email ID. Now go to your mail ID and confirm your account with Weekends. After confirming your account, this page will appear where you have to complete your profile by giving some general informations. After completion of your profile, you have to change your password. After entering the current password and new password, you have to save the changes and then log in again. For login, use the new password that you have generated. After logging in, you will see this page from where you have to add your property. Enter your property search name. Enter the country name, star rating, and all the information marked with asterisk. Check all the details before saving the step. After saving this step, the next step will be the description. In this part of the page, here you need to select the type of your property from the drop-down list. In the hotel information section, mention the activities and experiences you offer at the resort and near the resort. Ensure you write content in the same format as mentioned above. Just change the bullet points, and each time you go to the next bullet point, use the tag for sentence breaking as shown above. For bold, you have to use the tag B, and to break you have to use the tag BR. Every time to change the bullet points, you have to use the tag BR. And for the location, you have to give the information like distance from nearest city, landmark, etc. Now save this step. In the green description section, write about the things you are doing for local benefit, like hire local staff, offer local food, do local procurement, women empowerment, etc. And each time you go to the next bullet point, use BR tag for sentence breaking as shown earlier. For green attributes, select the green attributes you offer from the drop-down list. For green hotel amenities and green food, select the points you offer from the available option list. You may not select any green certificate. Once all information is filled, save the page. Now in the Facilities tab, in this page you need to select the points you offer from the available option list for the different categories given in hotel amenities, room facilities, recreational entertainment, etc. In recreational entertainments, you have to select the fun and adventure activities you offer at the resort. After filling all the information, make sure you save the step. The next page will be good to know, where you only have to enter the pet policy, if they are allowed or not, and the kind of pets allowed and the charges. Also the kid policy and cancellation policy should be the same as mentioned on Weekend's website. And save this step. In this page, you need to enter the details of the rooms you have. Here, you need to fill the name of the room, maximum occupancy, maximum number of adults per room, and give a short room description. All points marked with asterisk need to be filled. And for adding a new room category, you need to click on the Add New Room button. Before moving to the next tab for rates, you need to go to Rates Strategy tab given on the top of the page in black band. In this page, you will get to see the various room categories you have added on the room page. On the right hand side, you will see Rate A. You need to enter the base rate of the room, which is your MAP rate. The starting rate on our platform is MAP rate. Once done, save the rates. Next, fill the period the rate is valid by selecting the date from the drop-down calendar. Once done, save the period by clicking on the green button. Click on the Edit Hotel tab. Then go to Rates tab. Here, you need to mention the weekend standard in the name option. Meal plan and cancellation policy should be the same. Do not enter any data on the other points available on the page. For one adult, mention 0, 2 adults, mention 0. Here, you just need to enter rates of extra adult and extra child. Now just save the step. In the next step, you need to drop the images of your property. Ensure the names of the images are saved on your system with a caption. Like if the image is of view from room, then the caption should be the view from room. Once all the images are uploaded, select the one image as the main image you want to show first when someone sees your property. Once done, save the step by clicking on the Save button. The main image will appear in orange color as shown. After saving this step, you will see the agreement. Just click on I have read and save the step. Next, click on the name of your property. The Availability Dashboard tab will open. Here, you need to enter the available room inventory. This page needs to be updated on regular basis based on available room inventory. You will see the room categories on the left hand side. To update inventory, you need to click on the Choose a Stock button. A drop down will appear. You need to choose the number of rooms available from the drop down. For example, if you want to update 2 rooms for 9 October and 18 October, then you need to go and check the box below 18th October on the exclusive cottage. Ensure you don't click on the name of the room. If you do, the number you choose from the drop down, say 10, will show all through the year and not just the dates you want. So be very specific when you click the boxes. Do it one by one. Once done, save the page. Click on the View Site tab on the top of the page on black band. This will lead you to your property page. All you now need to do is copy the link of the page and email it to us at info@weekends.com. We can then make it live on our platform for bookings.